Hey guys, I'm here with another video. Make sure to like and subscribe, unless you want this moth to come into your room tonight. Yeah, we're talking about this little moth. Get back, Yang! Yang, it's a little moth, and it's alive. Let's see. Hey, back up. Look. Did you see it move? Get back! Yeah. But yeah, it's alive.
Why are you even in my alley? Right? Like the office is private property. Yeah. Piss someone off so they come fuck with my shit. So yeah.
No, they pretty much took off when we came out.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Not that you're scary.
I know.
Just being
I
a
look
person.
scary.
Just being a person scared them.
Yes.
And they were probably afraid.
Look, I got the fly.
Yay.
Oh,
Yay.
Wonderful.
See how it's sticky? So yeah, it's actually alive, guys. It's
Like,
pretty cool.
Wait,
Look
look.
on the moth.
Yep.
Now she's looking for it.
Right. Let me
It's a
check this
moth.
stuff out.
That's so cute. I really want it as a pet, but I don't.
It is not a pet.
It's not a pet, and can I tell you something? Usually when you touch their wings, I think that kills them. The acids from our skin will eat through their butterfly and moth wings.
Well, it's still alive.
Well, what you can do is go and set him on a tree outside of the fence so that Yang isn't terrorizing him, right? And hopefully he'll just fly away. I can't remember who told me that if you touch a butterfly's wing, it'll kill it. It's the pH balance in our skin or something that it messes with them or something.
Oh yeah, it's alive. Look, see.
Hopefully we don't have mowing today, and we got a little patch for the snails. You can grab that Yang's trying to eat right now.
Leave it. Come on. Fuck. She's like, Mom, they're toys. You wouldn't let me have the moth, so I had to go find a snail. I think it's cute though, because most dogs, it doesn't even phase them,
Right?
Like,
Or they'd be totally
It's
just
alive. It's alive.
I'm obsessed with the moth. Yay. Hey, hi baby. Hi baby. What are you doing? I'm trying to pet you and you're
Oh wow.
She's like, nope, I'm gonna hover down and
Comment down below if you guys like close-up nature. I'm gonna touch it.
I remember when I was a little boy, every time I got a caterpillar, I would put it in a tissue box, cellophane over the holes, because I wanted to see it transform.
Yeah.
My mom would be, no, you need to put that back out in the wild, and I'm like, but Mom! So every time, even though she sat
Do you
there
see
and watched
his-
me create the little box
his
for it,
wings?
she'd be like, oh, now it's time to let it go. I'm like, I just worked on
Yeah,
building
that's
a home.
alive.
Right?
It's alive.
Yeah, he loves his caterpillars. We've had lots of caterpillar housing.
I did that all the time when I was little.
It looks like it needs help to go fly into the wild.
That'd be cool.
Who doesn't want to see that?
Or freezing bumblebees in a jar of water, freezing flies in a jar of water. Anything else? So a fly that we stuck in a jar, we stuck it in the freezer for like 2 days, or a day, or maybe half a day. And I'm not saying you should do this. I'm just saying what I did as a kid. Stuck it in there.
Isn't that so
It was
cool?
lifeless.
A moth in the
Out
day.
sun. Next thing you know, that
Have you
fly's
ever
stuck
seen
in
that
there.
before?
I'm like,
A moth in the day.
so how come flies and bees can do that frozen crap, but we can't?
Right.
That's not very fair. Right?
They get to come back. Come on.
They get to
I
come
heard
back.
of
How about us? Come
cryogenics.
on.
Alright. Well, bye-bye, fly.
Dang it!
But anyways, guys,
You
that
take
was
care.
the sign of nature, and it's a beautiful physics of nature. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I just made it because it's a Goodwill video. So yeah. But anyways, guys, I will see you later. And don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a single video. And if you want, share the video with your friends, please. I need some more subscribers. I'm already at 30, so I thank you guys. And thank you for the 2K with the views. That's amazing. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.